consultancy company. We deal with the HR problems. We provide service to the company which are lacking competitive advantage and are failing to sustain in the market. So to get the tender, we have prepared a proposal, and you just want the proposal. And I am the program leader, and my name is Muna Rai. Saurav is appraisal advisor. Savin is recruitment officer. Ankit is financial advisor. Abhishek is training advisor, and Pooja is research analysis. Pacific Diner Eat Cafe, they had some issues like staff performance, employee turnover, HR consulting, and managing reward respectively. We consulted these companies and provided best solution, and now they are running successfully, and they are generating more profit and market value than before.
Let's go back into time. Cafe Espresso was established by Stephen Lester in late 1980s. It was named the fastest growing company in UK by 1990s. It operates 550 stores with 3,800 staff members in UK, and is one of the most prominent players in the coffee industry. It was listed in the London Stock Exchange in 1999.
So the main problem that we have seen sufficiently in your organization is decline in the market share. You have been losing your customers to the competitors. Competitors are growing the market. They have been attracting your customers, and you have been losing your customers, which has allowed the employee to get a better chance and have been turning over from your organization. And the major thing that we found is that you lack HR policies and HRM systems. So our main objective is to solve the HR problems with cost consideration. Cost consideration is our main motto, since we want you to pay less and gain more quality product. We'll be operating our project in 10 stores in London for the first relaunching, out of 550 stores all over the UK. We have estimated the project time to be 8 months of period, leading towards re-inauguration of the cafe on December 25th, 2016.
As a research analyst, I'll be anticipating the market. So my main focus will be on target audience, rival business, and employee status. Target audience will be the all over the population in London, and rival business of Cafe Espresso is Starbucks opposite, which are the top most leading coffee shops in London. And employee status will be the financial and non-financial incentives will be which will be provided to the employees for motivating them and for their satisfaction. I'll be going more into depth, and I'll be explaining about the SWOT analysis, the strength. As it was established in the 1980s, there is a reputation building. There's a reputation building since then. So we can see the scope of bringing this cafe to the topmost level again, and the opportunity in today's busy life. The people more seeks to switch to coffee rather than having proper breakfast or meals. So there is a huge opportunity for Cafe Espresso to grow and expand. And the weaknesses, the labor efficiency. As we can see, the main problem is labor efficiency is going down and down. So this is the main weaknesses of Cafe Espresso. And the threat, the competitors like Starbucks and opposite, they are gaining the market share and improving and performing brilliant. So we need to cope up with them.
Identification and solution of each problem. These are the problems faced by performance management, irregular performance review. The Cafe Espresso your company have irregular performance review, employees is very dissatisfied, they are demotivated, and there is lack of management appraisal. So this is the reason why we are here, and why you need to hire us, because we will be providing you the best solution to these problems. So these are the solutions to the problem that have been listed in the slides. There should be a proper and better performance appraisal structure, because why? Because traditional method of appraisal aren't effective, which is quoted by Wilson 2010, and there should be, for irregular performance review, there should be monthly performance review, so that the managers can check the performance of the employees monthly and see whether they are motivated or demotivated, how they are performing, what tasks they are given, whether they are completing their tasks or not. And there should be talent management, because it will help to retain the employee by integrating tools to attract, select the employees, and there's to motivate. There is high employee dissatisfaction. There's so to motivate them. There's because Smart Target will add fun to their work, because it is specific, measurable, attainable, reliable, and time-based. So it will motivate employee participation, and the satisfaction level of employee will decrease, and they will be more satisfied, which will directly lead to better customer service.
Recruitment. Recruitment is an organization's ability to attract a specific skilled human resource and to get it in financially efficient manner. In simple terms, finding the right person for the right job. Well, the problems that have been seen in Cafe Expresso in terms of recruitment are different level of recruitments, methods of recruitment, flexibility of recruiting. The solutions are recruiting internally. Loyal employee that has been loyal to the company, even though the company is going through a very bad time, represents that they are loyal and they have the capacity to be a better employee in the coming days. Walk-in recruitment, lower level jobs, especially for students looking for a part-time jobs, providing them a facility of working part-time will certainly help them and will also give us a power to find some manpower in low income. Online recruitment, required qualification and advertisement according to the criteria. We don't want to miss out any opportunity among the recruitee. We want the best for the job. We will search for the best. We will advertise our qualification all over the internet to find the best person and to get him or her the appropriate placement in our organization. Employee referral. Referral will be awarded if the referral lasts for the 3 months with consent from manager. If an employee refers someone to us and we give them a job, that if the employee lasts for 3 months with a very excellent performance, then according with the consent to the manager, we will be providing the employee rewards in terms of financial or non-financial way.
Let's have an insight into reward management. What is reward management? It is mainly the strategies and policies that we use to ensure that the value of the people and the contribution they make to the organization goal is recognized and is rewarded. And there are two main types of reward. The first one being financial reward. It is mainly concerned with the monetary policy, monetary funds. Like you can give examples of extra pay or bonuses or even paid time off. Second type of reward management is non-financial reward, which doesn't concern anything in monetary terms. It could be holidays, holiday packages, or you could get insurance, different types like life insurance, health insurance. These are things to just recognize that the employee is doing well and can achieve something in the organization. Some problems that Cafe Expresso has is lack of employee reward and reward criteria. So we have some solutions to it. We have two types, as I said, financial reward and non-financial. And the contribution of both make it the most effective to retain employees and effective and performance of the employees. Financial reward would mainly be store incentive. We would take top 20 stores which give best customer services and would reward them financially. Employee incentives. Let's take for example some employees, they do well, they act well with the customers. We can give them incentives. They'll be happy. Non-financial reward. This is concerned with appreciation of the employee. Like we have employee of the week, employee of the month, or even employee of the year. We can give them vacation or holiday packages. Another factor would be job enlargement, job rotation, or even job enrichment. That means we give them more opportunity in the organization so that they can go to a higher level. They can achieve promotion in the business itself. And why should we consider reward management? It is important to have combination of financial and non-financial reward management. In this case, to improve the customer service and experience, and also to retain the employees.
Main motto of an organization is to provide maximum level of satisfaction to a customer. Training is an integral part of an organization as it helps sharpen the abilities of an employee. After superficial research, the major problem overviewed on trainings are requirement of training to implement changes, management training. Now I'm going to tell you why I'm worthy of this job. Solution to the training problem are probation training period. After the recruitment, some staff will be kept in probation period where the training will be given according to which the working status of employee will be determined. Delegating training jobs to senior workers. Getting experience from the senior person is better than going outside and external training camps. As we have good relationships with other external business houses, we are capable of sending our staffs to other camps and getting them get good exposure and making them have fun and work properly. On the job training calendars. We'll be having an annual training camps in our faculty, so it can give training to all the segments of the management from upper to lower staffs.
This is the cost of consultancies. It shows every month of salaries for each department manager. So Abhishek will be working for 3 months. So his monthly salary will be £475, and that is £1,424 in total. I will working for 8 months, and my monthly salary will be £200, and that is £1,600 in total. Muna will be working for 8 months, and she will her monthly salary will be £320. That is £2,560 in total. Pooja will be working for 1.5 months. So the total project for whole project plan, I will estimate at £1,273 for employee rewards. And recruitment advertisements £500. Recruitment cost miscellaneous £241. Training and development £400. Cost of construction group £7,459. So the total budget plan is £9,873.
I will be looking for, I will be taking time of 1.5 months for completing my research. That is from January to mid of February, and I'll be developing four strategies that will make Cafe Expressino from the low level to the top level. The first strategy I will be implementing is employee satisfaction through financial or non-financial incentives, or through the job rotation, job enrichment, or job enlargement, etc. And the second thing, I'll be focusing on high quality of products. Third thing, the customer value. And the fourth thing, serve over everything. And our unique selling point will be the employee itself. I'll be training, they will be given training with the latest technologies and methodologies, and later enhance the skill of our employees. Therefore, the service will be improved, and the level of performance will be enhanced gradually.
I'll be working from June to the mid of July. I will be focused on retaining the staffs for 1.5 months, and I will be retaining the employee and laying off some of the employee according to the bad or good performance they have been performing for the company since its beginning, or since they have started the work.
After that, from mid-July to mid-September, I'll be rewarding the employees there in the organization with their excellence in the work.
I'll be training greeting staffs because they need some techniques to enhance their performance.
As I am a program leader, I will be monitoring and reviewing the performance of the staff. So I will be working from the first to the end, which is from May to December.
After the rewarding program, I will be doing my second recruitment of the new arrivals for replacing the laid off employees from mid of September till the November.
New employees need to be trained again, so I'll be training them again for 1.5 months.
I will be the financial manager throughout the process of project plan.
The thing that we have explained is the superficially problems. What we have expected is that there will be more problems in every field. So we will be developing some contingency plan to deal with those problems. Like in our past experience, we have been dealing with these problems. Since we have some contingency theories that we can solve any problem that comes during the way.
So these are the differences.